Victorinox Swiss Army AirBoss Chronograph Mechanical Men's Watch. Stainless steel case with a brown leather strap. Fixed stainless steel bezel. Black dial with luminous hands and index hour markers. Minute markers around the outer rim. Dial type, analog. Chronograph. Automatic movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Case size, 42 millimeters. Case thickness, 11 millimeters. Bandwidth, 22 millimeters. Water resistant at 100 meters, 330 feet. Functions, chronograph, date, hour, minute, second. Casual watch style, Swiss made.